Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. Special treat for you today. This has been my personal truck I've been driving for a few months. Guilty of driving it. Well, now here's a chance for you to own it. It's a 2015 GMC Denali 2500 6.0 liter beast-ass truck. Check it out. Straight up sitting. We're gonna let you do your job. You just sit here and do your job because we're gonna get crazy right now. Super fancy, big ass, nasty, bomb ass truck. It's got an FTS suspension lift on it. It's got a set of FUEL 22 by 14 inch wheels, wrapped in a set of Nitto whopping 375 45 22 inch tires. These are the Nitto Trail Grappler MTs. They're a nice wheel. They have a massive footprint, kick-ass footprint. Awesome stance. The truck is very aggressive looking. It's shiny gloss black. The windows are tinted 20%. What else can I tell you about it? Fox shocks. I mean, she's pretty and she's done up. Fox shocks right here, guys. It's kick-ass. Underside is super clean. Really clean. Amp electric steps with the LED lights that light up. Watch this. Ready? LED lights. They all light up. 3, 2, 1. Boop. Super nice. Check it out. WeatherTech floor mats. Denali in your face. Backup camera, navigation, LED lights throughout, rear entertainment system, Denali in the headrests, cup holders, USB chargers, everything. Gloss black. Super fancy, nice, good condition. You got your push right here. You can watch your porno and stuff like that. Really nice truck. I'm gonna show you a little bit about it and we're gonna get crazy in a minute, guys. You ready for this one? Here we go. Do a walk around and I'm gonna stop here. Why? Because of this. Let's get crazy. Ready? Watch this. We're about to get crazy. Actually, no, you know what? I'm not even gonna use that. Sit there, tripod. Watch this. Ready? You guys dare me to? Dare me. Tell me I won't do it. Tell me I won't do it. $50,000 truck. Tell me I won't do it. With a tuner. We got an edge right here, baby. Intel link. Ready? Check this out, guys. Heated seats, cooled seats, everything you want to know. Denali. And how many miles? Show me. Compass. 33,051 miles. CTS Evolution 2. Ready? All right, so tell me I won't do it. Ready? It's crazy, but here we go. Let's try it out. So let me give you a little bit of tutorial about the truck. So here it is, guys. Rolling, coming at you. Ready? This is scary. Oh man, she's beast. Look at that. She looks good rolling, guys. Oh, looks like it's gonna hit something. Uh-oh. I better jump in front of the bunch of. Yeah, it's gonna hit that. Oh, just in time. So, anyways, that's how the truck looks. That scared me for a minute there. $50,000 truck almost going down the drain. So here it is. Don't try that at home, guys. Here it is, 2015 GMC Denali 2500 beast-ass truck. Hope you guys like it.